You are tuned to your higher self, that Satchidananda Atma. I'm using this word Satchidananda. What does it mean exactly? It's 3 words, right? Sat, Chit and Anand. Sat means what? Truth means what? Correct. Truth, reality means, how do you define truth or reality?
What is?
Yes. That which never changes is truth. Today if I tell you something, tomorrow I take a somersault, take this on the same subject, I change my view. Third day I give you I change my thing again. It means I'm speaking lies. It's not truth, because I'm changing. But that which never changes is Sat, is truth. So your higher self, the infinite consciousness, is Sat. It never changes. Chit means it's of the nature of consciousness, of awareness. It's not like this table, chair and all which is inert. It's conscious. And Ananda means it in itself is Ananda. Itself it's blissful.